Hello, how are you? Today I want to share a personal experience that can truly change your life, especially if you struggle with ringing in the ears, hearing loss, or that constant annoyance that disrupts your daily routine. I was in the exact same situation. Difficulty hearing conversations, that persistent ringing in my ears, and honestly, I was losing hope. Until I discovered Audifort, a 100% natural supplement designed to restore hearing health and improve quality of life. If you are watching this video, you probably feel the same frustration. Not being able to hear well, having trouble in noisy environments, or even avoiding conversations out of embarrassment. I know exactly how it feels. That's why I decided to make this review, to show you that there is a safe and effective solution. Audifort is different from everything I have tried before. It is not a medication full of side effects, does not require expensive appointments, and works from the inside out. Its formula contains natural ingredients that target inflammation in the inner ear, regenerate auditory cells, and improve blood circulation in the area. The best part is that it is very easy to use. Just take 2 capsules a day with a glass of water consistently. It's simple, does not disrupt your routine, but makes a huge difference. Another important point is that more than 2,300 people have left positive reviews, with an average rating of 4.9 out of 5 stars. This shows that it's not just marketing, it really works. In a short time, I began to notice the results. The ringing decreased, my concentration improved, and even my memory became sharper. Today I can have normal conversations without asking people to repeat themselves constantly, and that is priceless. The official website also offers a 90-day money-back guarantee. This means if you don't see results, you can request a full refund with no hassle. That gave me the confidence to buy, because the company fully stands behind its product. Additionally, the shipping is fast, secure, and discreet. It arrived at my home in just a few days. And it is very important to only purchase from the official website. There are counterfeit products out there, and only the official site ensures safety, discounts, and the 90-day guarantee. If you truly want to restore your hearing, reduce the ringing, and enjoy peace of mind again, click the link below in the description. This is the only official website link where you can safely place your order. Click the link below now to order directly from the official website. Before you go, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future content like this. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I will be happy to answer. Don't wait any longer. Your hearing and quality of life deserve this transformation.